Hello and welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction update, and in this video be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Litecoin chart and also give you my breakout targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And by first focusing on the fundamental analysis, you can see that we have 19 days, 6 hours, 26 minutes to the Litecoin halving. And this is an event that is expected to bring about a lot of volatility in the market. And as a result of that, we need to keep our eyes on that halving event countdown. And getting back to the charts, to first show you a chart pattern that I gave you in my previous video, which is this inverse head and shoulders pattern that I had here on the 1 hour chart, which has now given us the breakout that we expected to the upper side. And you can see that today we saw a break above the neckline for the inverse head and shoulders pattern. We saw the massive breakout giving us a high at around the $103.86 mark. And you can see that we have a key area of resistance at around the $103.25 mark, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a rejection by that key area of resistance, and that's the reason as to why we are seeing a bit of a pullback here on the charts. But I'm expecting Litecoin is going to gain momentum once more, manage to break above that key area of resistance, get a successful retest, and continue gearing up to the upper side. And once that plays out, then we can expect Litecoin to get above the 115.18 high that we have here on the charts. And Litecoin has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And if I zoom out to give you my Elliot wave analysis, you can see that since the 14th of June, when we saw a low at around the $71.43 mark, we started a very nice Elliot wave structure here on the charts, terming this as a wave 1, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then a wave 4, and a wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $115.18 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2. And yesterday I gave you a minimum retracement area for the second wave by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and we are now seeing a reaction of this target area, and this could be the start of an impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave to the upper side by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area for the wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $163.22 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3. So let's keep our eyes on that key area of resistance at around the $103.25 mark, because a break above that could help Litecoin get above the 115.18 high, and from that point we can continue gearing up and fully maximize minimum target areas for the third wave at around the $163.22 mark. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI we are trading at around the 65 mark. On the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.